What if I told you that managing your digital assets and traditional finances could be more seamless than you ever imagined? Thinking face, we're living in a world where the lines between crypto and conventional banking are blurring, and platforms like Uphold are at the forefront of this evolution. But it begs the question many of you are asking: can you link your bank account to Uphold? Today, we're diving deep into just that, exploring the ins and outs of connecting your traditional banking to your Uphold account. Get ready to demystify the process and unlock the full potential of your financial ecosystem. Rocket. Let's cut right to the chase. Yes, absolutely. You can link your bank account to Uphold. This functionality is a cornerstone of Uphold's design, aiming to bridge the gap between fiat currencies like USD, Euro, GBP, and the vast world of cryptocurrencies and other assets they support. It's a crucial feature for anyone looking to easily fund their Uphold account, withdraw funds back to their bank, or simply manage their diverse portfolio in one place. So, why would you want to do this? The reasons are pretty compelling. Easy funding. The most obvious benefit is the ability to deposit funds directly from your bank account into your Uphold wallet. This means you can quickly buy cryptocurrencies, precious metals, or even trade in different fiat currencies without complex workarounds. Think of it as your express lane to the digital asset market. Dashing away. Seamless withdrawals. Just as easily as you can deposit, you can also withdraw funds from your Uphold account back to your linked bank account. This is essential for cashing out profits, liquidating assets, or simply transferring funds back to your traditional banking for everyday expenses. Convenience and control. Linking your bank account centralizes your financial operations. Instead of juggling multiple platforms, Uphold allows you to manage both your traditional and digital assets from a single, intuitive interface. This gives you greater control and a clearer overview of your entire financial landscape. Bar chart. Lower fees, often compared to some other funding methods. Bank transfers, ACH in the US, SEPA in Europe, often come with lower transaction fees, making them a cost-effective way to move your money around. The process of linking your bank account to Uphold is designed to be straightforward, though it might vary slightly depending on your region and the type of bank account. Generally, it involves these steps. Log into your Uphold account. First things first, sign into your Uphold account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create and verify it. Verification usually involves providing identification documents to comply with Know Your Customer (KYC) regulations. Navigate to Add Funds or Link Account. Once logged in, look for an option like Add Funds, Link a Bank Account, or a similar prompt, often found in your account settings or wallet overview. Select your region and bank transfer option. Uphold will typically ask you to select your region, e.g., United States, Europe, to determine the appropriate bank transfer method, e.g., ACH for the US, SEPA for Europe. Connect your bank. You will usually be given two main ways to connect. Instant verification, PLAD/similar services. This is the quickest and most common method. You will be prompted to log into your online banking portal through a secure third-party service like Plaid. This service instantly verifies your account details and links it to Uphold. Uphold doesn't store your bank login credentials. Manual verification, microdeposits. If instant verification isn't available or preferred, Uphold might send two small microdeposits to your bank account, e.g., 10 cents and 25 cents. You'll then need to enter these exact amounts back into Uphold to confirm ownership of the account. This usually takes a few business days. Confirm and start transacting. Once your bank account is successfully linked and verified, you're all set. You can now initiate deposits and withdrawals between your bank and Uphold. While linking your bank account is incredibly convenient, keep these points in mind. Verification is key. Full account verification is almost always required before you can link a bank account and transact freely. Transaction limits. Uphold, like most financial platforms, will have daily, weekly, or monthly transaction limits for deposits and withdrawals, which may increase as your account history and verification level grow. Processing times. While linking is often instant, bank transfers themselves can take a few business days to process, depending on your bank and region. Security. Uphold employs robust security measures, including encryption and multi-factor authentication, to protect your linked accounts and funds. Always ensure you're using a strong, unique password and have 2FA enabled. Understanding these aspects empowers you to make the most of Uphold's features. Linking your bank account transforms Uphold from just a crypto exchange into a more comprehensive financial hub, giving you unparalleled flexibility in managing your assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.